So if you're trying to print a larger DTF and all you have is 11 by 16 paper, let me show you the process that I use. So I used Silhouette, and the image was 13.609 by 13.572. So I duplicated it, and once I duplicated it, I erased out one portion, then the other, had made two different copies. So here you have the one, this was sent to the printer separately, and this was sent to the printer separately. When I got over to my RIP software, here it is. So I sent just this portion here, and I was able to keep it in the size and it fit on the 11 by 16. This is how it was laid out on the press. So again, here is the final on my t-shirt. And as you can see, that is a pretty nice size design on a large t-shirt, and that was done on 11 by 16 paper. Thanks for watching CrystalsDiversiCreations. Hope you found this helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Here's the complete set.